Hi everyone, we're looking at the month of September and how it has major influences on all your zodiac signs. We're now looking at you Leos. Now for you Leos, from a career perspective, okay, this is a month for you to take advantage of and make the maximum use of. It does have a lot of up and downs in your career front and your business front, but you need to plan well for that. It looks like it does have a lot more hard work in store for you, a lot more professional growth for you, and it calls for a lot of focus as well this month. So plan that well, okay, organize that well, take in all the additional responsibilities that are coming your way, because your senior management, your bosses are all recognizing that tremendous hard work and are taking you forward as well, and are giving you all the support that is required. So keep your focus going on the work front. Also remember that stay a little bit more calmer, okay? Any kind of agitations, any kind of changes in the environment, don't let that divert you from your focus, okay? And keep the focus going on all the hard work that is required as of now. Stay away from any kind of conflicts. From the business front as well, stay away from any kind of conflicts, any kind of agitations that are coming your way, and only focus on your goal this month from the business perspective. Yes, it is even called for that this month you need to take up a new skill, be it on the professional front or be it on the business front. There is something new that you actually need to learn, there is something new that you need to implement, okay? So evaluate that well and implement that from this month. Focus on building yourself and growing yourself, which is very important. Any travels as well this month for you, any travel proposals will be of great profit for you this month, so you can go ahead with that. From the finances bit, yes, this month does see that there is some expenditures happening in the start of the month. It could be in regards to personal requirements on the family front as well, any kind of expenditures, any kind of renovations, any additional family health issues or responsibilities as well may be coming your way, so that calls for the expenditure. So the second half of the month, you do have some incomes coming in, and you need to plan for those incomes. Look at doing savings, or looks at maybe doing some kind of small investments, or putting that in the correct place. That's from your finances bit. So just try and strike that balance. From the health perspective, it does look like you've been having a lot of anger issues of recent. Your mind seems to be very disturbed of recent. So it is important that you focus on calming that down. Now, from your health perspective, that is actually impacting a lot of your stomach region. So you're having a lot of intestinal issues, you're having digestion issues. People who already have high blood pressure, that will be shooting up. So it is very important that this month onwards, you start looking at your health, start looking at your diets, start implementing a lot of water, a lot of fluid intake, okay? And start doing some calming foods, some good home cooked food only. Avoid any kind of outside food as well. Take care of the basic requirements as of now. From your relationship perspective as well, these anger temperaments are impacting your relationships. It's important this month that you focus on your communication, okay? Try and be calmer. Your relationships, be it in the family front, be it with your friends circle, okay? Look to rather evaluate something before you say something, and do not react to any kind of situations this month, because everything that is good and happy, you may just erupt it with a small little word which someone may not take too positively. Okay, from the remedies perspective, this month it is important that yes, you practice a lot more meditation. Give some time for prayer and for healing. Rather, I would say if you can visit a holy place this month, that will be profitable for you. The next remedy for you is to definitely look at your diets, reevaluate your diets, add a lot more water and salads into your diets as well. Now, if you can sit in a calm place where there's a lot of water bodies, maybe like fountains or rivers, or even something which has the sound of calming water, flowing water, sit and hear that kind of music and try and calm yourselves down. Please do remember that these, what I share with you, the predictions for all the zodiac signs, are very generalized predictions. And if you need a lot more support for a personalized support or help, or any kind of guidance that you need, you're always free to reach out. We're always there to hear you and to support you. I'm Sharon S. Mondija with Avenues. Thank you so much for being a part of my family. And if you're new to my family, do not forget to subscribe, hit the bell button, and let us all stay connected for so much more in store.